Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So as you can see, this is the look that I created. My voice is a little bit funny because your girl was screaming for Travis Scott at the O2 the other night. But this is the look that I created. It is a sunset yellow blue type of look. I'm trying to look in my monitor. It's a cut crease, so your girl really went for it. I went for the yellow liner and the whole blue, yellow, pink kind of look. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys want to see how I did this, please continue watching.
Alright, so taking the Sample Beauty, the Immensity palette, I'm using the colour Colossal, which is a really nice vivid purple. I'm just packing that on my eyelid just from the centre outwards. Then I'm taking the colour Ambition, which is like a really nice bright neon orange, and I just pack that right on top just of the edge where I packed on the purple because I'm going to blend that out. And I'm going to take the colour Core, which is again another vivid yellow. This palette is just totally like pure vivid neon colours. So I'm basically creating a sunset. And then I'm going to take the Ambition colour again just to blend it back in, because when you blend out the colours you kind of lose the pigmentation, so you have to keep going back and forth blending colours in. And then I take the colour Boundless, which is a beautiful like fuchsia, really like proper pink. I keep saying the word vivid, but it's like a vivid pink, like it's full on. And I just blend that through on top, and then I go back in with Core to blend that out. So it's just back and forth blending them out. Then I begin to cut the crease. I'm not going for a full-on winged cut crease or a full half moon cut crease. It's just kind of like it stops by the outer corner so that I can blend it in. So a half cut crease, if that's what you call it. Then I take the Momentous colour, which is a deep blue, which is gorgeous. Love this colour. And I pack this on the outer corner. So my idea was to pack the darkest colour from the palette on the outer corners of my eyes to create some depth, to make it look a little bit more smokier on the outer corner of my eyes. Then going back in with the Boundless shade again, which is that pink. And I'm just going to blend this in. So as you can see, I'm blending it in diagonally because I want it to go at a kind of angle. I don't want it to be straight because it looks weird. So if you go in at an angle, it almost makes it winged towards the outer eye. And then I take Core, which is that yellow again, and I add the lightest colour, which is the yellow, obviously, to the inner corner, filling in the concealer. So it's easier to put it on the concealer when the concealer is still wet. So I pack that on. Then I use the NYX Off Tropic liner in Pineapple Punch, and I basically line my waterline with that. I was off camera for most of it, so you're just gonna have to see this little bit of footage, but I line my waterline. Then I take Ambition, which was that orange colour that I used on the top, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line with that because I like to smoke it out. Anything on the top is usually on the bottom of my eyes as well. Then I take a fine liner brush and I use the purple shade, which was Colossal, and I basically line my lash hairs just to make it look a little bit more deeper towards my eye. And I'm using the Pinky Goat lashes in Ream. Alright, so this is the final look. I really like this because I feel like I really went for it. So this is the colourful look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.